Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Poco. Begin by opening Themes app and selecting the best one for you. You can click on Themes category at the top, pick one of those themes, or choose one of those options, like free. You can also tap on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. After finding the best theme for you, click on it. Tap on download at the bottom. And then select apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing the same app, but this time tapping on my account at the bottom right corner. Over here. Now click on Themes section at the top, click on Limitless or Poco and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!